People talking about what is and what ain't country. What gives them the right to wear a pair of beat-up boots? Is it the size of your tires and your fires or your wild-ass buddies? Well, give me a minute, let me hit you with some hometown truth. You can be a cowboy on the Texas plain or a plowboy waiting on the rain. We're all a little different, but we're all the same. Everybody doing their own thing. I got my dirt road cred when I was 12 on a no-cab tractor hauling in bales, backing in boats, fishing limb lines, running bird dogs through the Georgia pines. Step side covered down in peanut dust. Friday night spotlight and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't judge. Just be proud of what makes you country. Does it run in your blood? Did it come from your daddy and mama? Were you converted by an Alabama song on the radio that feels so right? Did you lock eyes with a little green-eyed girl from Jackson? Tell me what got you, I just gotta know. Me, I got my Sunday learning in a live oak church, Silver Queen corn in the backyard dirt, waiting for the fall to finally come along so I can grab my gun and get my outside on. Step side covered down in peanut dust. Friday night spotlight and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't judge. Just be proud of what makes you country. From a city or a little farm town, whatever kind of square that you drove around. Do you wear it on your sleeve or keep it deep down? You know you gotta let it out. I got my dirt road cred back when I was 12 on a no-cab tractor hauling in bales, backing in boats, fishing limb lines, running bird dogs through them Georgia pines. Step side covered down in peanut dust. Friday night spotlight and that was us. It might not have been you, but I ain't judging. Just be proud of what makes you country. Whatever makes you country. You do your kind of country.
Down a back road where the White River runs and the southern sun makes a kudzu grow. What I found in those hot mountains I ain't ever seen. It sure does feel like it's sitting on top of the world to me. Gotta get down to Arkansas. Having so much fun and it's probably a little bit against the law. All the boys and the girls down there sure know how to have a ball. If you wanna get down, gotta get down to Arkansas. Well, we burned through the one-eyed towns like a scalded dog. When we lit out of Fayetteville, they were calling the hogs. We made a pit stop in Little Rock for some barbecue. And when we hit West Memphis, there were blue lights in our rear view. Gotta get down to Arkansas. Having so much fun that it's probably a
took to it like a pig to mud, like a cow to cub. We all got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide it. When the band starts banging and the fiddle saws, you can't help but hollering. When you see them pretty little country queens, man, you gotta admit that it's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just getting on your hillbilly bone, ba-bone, ba-bone, bone. Preach about hillbilly to a place. Listen to this. Now you ain't gotta be born out in the sticks with a F-150 and a 30-06, or have a Bubba in